make Leyden jar capacitor. Let's see if it works or not. These are the things which will be needed for making it. It is well known that salt is a good conductor in water. So I am gonna pour this normal iodized salt in this water and gonna shake it. So I have poured into this water bottle. I'm now gonna close it and then shake it. I think this would be enough. I am taking an iron nail and wrapping it with the iron wire. But first we are going to insert this iron nail through this cap, and at the bottom I am going to wrap this iron wire. So this wire would be placed in such a way that it's in contact with the surface of the water. So it's going to be placed like this, keeping the wire kind of a vertical, closing the lid, and the wire should touch the surface of the water like this. Next I'm going to use a piece of wire with a cut at the center. I'm going to take another strip and wrap it around the wire, and then I am going to use an insulating tape. You can also use normal tape also for insulation purpose. So I am using a black insulating tape, then wrapping at the center. Next I am going to use another small strip of a green wire and wrapping it at the bottom of the main wire. This wire is going to be our ground line, which will be acting at the bottom. It will be connected to some metal. So now I am going to wrap it using this insulating tape. So our connection is ready. Next I am gonna take an aluminium foil and going to wrap it according to my height of the water bottle. So measuring it. Next gonna tear it apart and gonna wrap it all around the water bottle like this. So in order to make it stay on the water bottle surface, I am going to use an insulating tape at both top and bottom. So here the main principle is that here our aluminium foil, it's a positive charged terminal, and when we are going to add a ground wire with the metal at bottom, it will make this foil as a positively charged terminal releasing a negatively charged ions inside the water. So the nail along with the iron wire become negative charged and release ions. So first, taking this green strip of wire, I have used two different colors in order to show the difference. This is going to be attached at the positive terminal side of the aluminium foil. In order to stay in that place, I am going to use this insulating tape. So next is that the bottom wire, which is green, I am going to use it as a ground connection, and this red wire is the thing from which it will be attached to the top nail to produce the electricity. It's the main line. So now I am going to use this green wire and attach it to some metal. Here I have a gate and gate, so I'm just going to insert into it like this. That's it. Our ground wire connection has been done. So in order to produce electricity, I am going to use a PVC pipe in order to generate a static electricity using a paper by rubbing it on the PVC surface. You can also use a cotton cloth. When you rub the paper against the PVC pipe for about 15 to 20 times, it will generate an electricity of 30 kilovolt. So in order to charge that nail, we are going to move this PVC pipe to and fro like that. Next, I am going to use this final connection in order to generate the electricity. So here it cannot be shown. It's in dark. See, watch carefully. You have a spark there. It's about 30 kilovolt. So thank you guys.